Hello everyone, welcome to Datings. Today in this video I am going to talking about YouTube Premium and I will show you that how can you get YouTube Premium for 1 month as a trial. And if you want to renew this, you can also this, and if you want to don't renew this, you don't need to renew this. I'll show you how can you get the YouTube Premium for 1 month for free and how can you continue to stop the auto renew. So let's start. So now you need to a card. Obviously if you are from Bangladesh, I am showing you that how you can get the card from this app. This is Selfin. You'll got a card from this site. So my dear friend, after logging sign in this account. If you have the bank and you need to add the bank account on Selfin and you will got this card from there. If you are Bangladeshi, you can do it, and if you don't have this, you can do this, but you must use your any dual currency card from your bank and anything. If you have this thing, you can do this easily. And let's start. I will skip these things and cause here's everything in my country's currency and everything is my country. So I think this is not don't need to you guys to learn. Then I'll show you the if you see this this is the DuckDuckGo VPN browser, and you must have this private browser for doing this to getting this free trial. So now we have to go to the browser and click the Gmail. You have to search the Gmail and sign up for a new Gmail. For getting YouTube Premium for 1 month, you must have a Gmail, and which should be a new Gmail, cause in new Gmail you will got the option of getting free 1 month YouTube Premium. Without if you try on old Gmail, you will got not this option for doing this. So let's start. Let's already have done. We have done the creating the Gmail. Then you have to search for YouTube, then YouTube Music. Then here you will got the option for YouTube Premium got free 1 month. This is YouTube Premium Music. You can get this also. Okay, only for new video mail you will got this option, and the best way is selecting a family and get it free for 1 month, and you can also add 5 members on this as your family member. Then here you need to add debit or credit card. Then here you have to put your card perfectly. If you don't have dual currency card, you can do this. So you must have a dual currency card, so that or Visa card that works for payment. I'm putting all the information of my cards on the YouTube Premium payment method system, and it should be a dual currency card. If you don't put everything perfectly, you will not get this. You must have seen the dates of the card and the CIV number and everything. Then you will got this option. Then you have to simplify. Simply click on the buy. And you get this already. This is YouTube Premium, YouTube Music Premium. Now I am going to show you YouTube Premium system. This is also similar, but let's see. Click on this, get YouTube Premium. Then get family plan. Then again put the information of your Gmail. And finally successfully you got the family. For YouTube Premium it's for 1 month. And I hope you all understand this video, and in this video I am showing that how can you get the YouTube Premium for 1 month for free. And pray for us and stay with us, and thanks for watching the video perfectly. And if you have anything for purchasing, you can visit our website and knock us on WhatsApp, on Telegram. We are always available to you. Thank you for watching.